Lello. This is cool. It's like literally in the town. I'll show you. It's outside, and then there's like a nice church out there that we'll go out and show you, but it's raining. But it's super nice in here. This is the hotel we're staying at. It's very pretty. And then this is the church that I was talking about. See how gloomy it is? It's okay though. I'm gonna go explore. Guys, we got, oh, Portuguese Starbucks. This is the clock tower. It goes all the way up. That's so tall. To go in, but it's like a nightclub now, and we're not trying to go in a nightclub. We're trying to explore. Let's just go find a cool restaurant to go munch, because girl be hungry. This is in the restaurant that we ate at. It's very pretty. It's a little private area, and we're going to the bathrooms. Oh, you want to sit in the chair? The bathroom is cute. I forgot to film our food, but here's insert picture here. I hope you like it. We did like it too. Yeah. This is the Majestic Cafe. So pretty inside. It's pouring rain now, so that's fun. What's that? Just got strawberry pancakes, which I forgot to film before I started eating. So we had 2 pastéis with her a galon. And when we're in this place, which makes pastéis and a little modern coffee shop. So we just went inside a church, but I couldn't film because it said no filming. But it was very beautiful. And now we're on our way to the bookstore, like the famous bookstore in Porto. So we're just heading that way. The one annoying part though about Porto is like, look how much construction there's everywhere. Like all the streets are blocked off for that. Oh, this is the famous McDonald's we're gonna go to later. Wow. Though, The Grimm's Fairy Tales. Everybody please help me this. He's deciding whether she wants this. This is a big book. I know. Should we try this one or that one? What is that? This is just like poems. Oh. we just tried to go into that place that I showed you, but it was fully booked for the day. So we came to this little cafe, which is actually really cute. It has like this greenery wall, but we both got sandwich, and we got a little dessert. But I got a crab sandwich, and she got a, what did you get? She got zoot. So we're gonna have lunch on these now. Sophia's eating so slow. When she pose, like, I already ate half of that. Ate my sandwich and drank my drink.
I'm enjoying myself. I wonder who says
Look how cool this wall is. Sophia, can you move your head? Anyways, that's Porto. That's where we are. We're like over there somewhere back there. Yeah, this is cool too. It's a very nice area in here. This is where we came. We came to We're back in the hotel, which I don't think I've even shown yet, but here we go. Sophia on the bed. Sophia. Got a little closet. This is the entry door. We got Sophia Loren. This is our outside kind of view. Just like a wall. Nothing too exciting. And then we come over here and we have the toilet. And then we have a mirror and then a little shower. And that's the hotel room tour. And now we're gonna go for dinner. Slay! So we've just come to this place here. And so we're waiting on our food, but Sophia's got beer and I have my iced tea again because I don't know how to order anything else, so. Here we are, this is what I ordered. Fancy. This is what Sophia ordered. This has bacalhau and mine has prawns. So, you excited? Cool, okay. Yum. It was very good. This place is so cool. Like, look at this. Wow. How cute this bathroom is. It's like a tiny little thing with a cute door too. Ah, love. Walking on the bridge. Okay, we've come out to like this British kind of, like everyone here is British. But like, someone started yelling at me, everyone started shushing him, and now they're booing. I don't know, something weird. But anyways, I'm having a medic mojito, which is a passion fruit mojito. So I'm excited. It's all like fresh ice. What are you having? a cathedral. So, taste test. I don't really taste the passion fruit, but it's still good. I'll drink this spice. We're at, I think it's Porto or something. Sophie's having her galava upstairs again. Classic. And I'm having a scrambled egg, tomato, parsley, croissant. And then we also got some sandwiches to go because we're gonna go on the train today. It's our last day in Porto. Like, not even day. We're here till like 1 to 2 p.m. today, so explore what we can. Are we wanting to carry the sandwich bag with us? No, we're going to go back that way. Okay. We are now on our way to a cathedral. So we're just walking down this little on the way we go. We're at the cathedral. Some nice views here too. Some guy playing a saxophone. Gonna go outside now. Very cute. Walk up all the way and just walk down. Leaving our hotel room. So we've come into Nata Sweet Nata, and I'm getting one of these little, I think this is yogurt ice cream. And Sophia's getting a little, what are you getting? The croissant with ham and cheese. So we're having this. It's such a cute little place here. I'll zoom out. Sophia just chilling. It's so nice. A little blue. These are so comfy, these chairs. But we just have some time to spare for like 2 hours, so we're waiting for the train. Oh no.